Wig, you guys, is like a prime example of you get what you pay for. It's not a terrible wig, but I'm just gonna start right off the bat with the obvious con for this wig, and it's gonna be the density. Now let me read to you guys the description of this wig. This wig is from Icy Hair, but it's from their Amazon store, so I can definitely tell there is a little bit of a difference with, like, I'm not even going to say the quality, just with the density on their Amazon storefront versus getting it from the official website, because I haven't really had this issue with their wigs on the official website, considering that I get their body wave wigs quite often, maybe like once or twice a year. But this is a 9A grade Brazilian virgin hair body wave 4x4 lace closure wig, and the density on it is advertised as 250%. However, I don't feel like it looks anything close to that. It says that it was pre-plucked with baby hair. Not so much that either, because I did have to go and do the works to this wig as far as like bleaching the knots, and I did pluck it myself. I got it in 22 inches. Now altogether this wig was $140. That's very cheap considering that it was advertised as 250% density, so that should have been like a, you know, a red flag there, because that's really, really cheap for that density of a wig, because that means that the wig was supposed to come super, super full. However, this is pretty much what it's looking like. It's completely glueless too. You guys didn't see me use like any hairspray like I normally do for my glueless installs. I just literally put it on my head because you don't really need anything for it. If I lift it up here, you guys can see this is a 100% glueless, no spray, no mousse, no none of that type of install. So it's fairly easy, but I don't know, I guess I'm just a little bit disappointed with the density, because I did try to go in and cut layers with the hair. There was really no issue there. It's just a little bit thin. So if you get this wig, because it's such a good price, but I just wouldn't wear it curled. This would be the wig that looks natural and will look really good straight. And you know what, I didn't even really take the time to go in and read the reviews like I normally would. I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this wig, but for that price point and I saw the density on it, I felt like that was a really, really, really good deal. And I still feel like it is a good deal. It's super cheap, it's super affordable. A 22-inch wig under $200, you kind of really can't beat that. I did cut it, so it's probably more like an, I don't know, an 18 or, now I love curls. I love when a wig will hold a curl. This one's not giving that. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'm going to link my Amazon storefront. So in the description box, just click on that and then go to the category where it says affordable Amazon wigs, and you're going to see it in there. So yeah, I just want to get straight to the point about this wig. The price, amazing. You can't beat that. I just want you guys to know what to expect if you do get this wig. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Like I said, check the description box. I'm gonna leave my storefront. If you guys have any questions, of course you guys can go ahead and leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.